What if your screens could sell, educate, promote, and adapt, all without you lifting a finger? Companies are continually wrestling with numerous challenges in today's fast-paced business environment. These include juggling multiple tasks, managing outdated messaging, and seizing missed opportunities. Enter KhazinaDigital's managed signage service, which acts not merely as a vendor, but as a silent partner in your growth trajectory, committed to alleviating these pressures. At KhazinaDigital, we provide more than just digital displays. We offer a comprehensive solution encompassing every aspect of DIJ tool signage management. Our service includes screen setup, cloud integration, day-parted scheduling, promotional content creation, remote updates, and technical support, whether for a single screen or an extensive network of 100. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that your screens deliver the right message at the right time, tailored to the specific needs of various environments, from restaurants and retail stores to clinics, schools, and corporate spaces. Consider the implications of this level of service. No longer will your staff forget to update menu items, nor will you face unexpected printing expenses for promotional materials. Gone are the days of relying on USB devices to manage content that quickly becomes outdated. With KhazinaDigital, a single expert team handles all of these logistics, seamlessly integrating DIJ tool signage into your operational framework, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your customers and your business growth. Imagine the possibilities. Launching a weekend sale across every branch in mere seconds, remotely updating health alerts in clinics, or synchronizing event schedules on screens throughout your campus. All accomplished effortlessly. With our managed signage service, these scenarios become a reality. The enhanced efficiency leads to faster sales cycles, cleaner operations, better branding, and ultimately, happier customers who are more engaged with your messaging. In conclusion, with KhazinaDigital, your screens evolve from being static decorations into dynamic, strategic tools that adapt and grow alongside your business needs. Let us take charge of your signage management so that you can devote your energy to managing your growth. Embrace the future of digital signage and experience the transformative impact it can have on your business.